ViSUS PRO stands for Virtual and Sustainable Product Development and represents an innovative project aimed at creating a teaching and learning environment to equip students with skills in sustainable product development. It integrates mixed reality technologies, enabling the virtual testing and validation of products, thereby conserving resources and supporting sustainable development. In the XR Lab, students explore the future of product development using cutting-edge XR technologies. This lab allows for virtual product testing and validation. Using head-mounted displays, the Rokoko Smart Suit, and powerful hardware and software components, the need for complex physical prototypes is reduced, conserving resources. The project is funded under the FRIROM 2023 initiative by the Foundation for Innovation in University Teaching. With a grant of approximately €440,000, the project began in April 2024 and will run for 2 years until March 2026. Out of about 5,000 applicants, ViSUS PRO was among the top 72 selected projects. Praise for its balanced pedagogical approach and strong integration of practice and science. The lab employs advanced hardware like the Varjo XR3, a leading mixed reality headset with photorealistic resolution, a wide field of view, eye tracking, and hand tracking for immersive interactions. The Rokoko Smart Suit captures real-time motion tracking. Combined with Unreal Engine, it enables real-time simulation of complex lighting scenarios, creating dynamic and realistic environments for enhanced immersion and interactivity. The project focuses on lighting in mobility, addressing topics like glare, fatigue, and well-being. It aims to study the effects of light on the human body and driving behavior, developing innovative solutions to make driving safer and more comfortable. Research on glare reduces disruptive lighting effects, while studies on fatigue and well-being enhance driver alertness and overall comfort during travel.